In this lesson, we're going to learn how to play our D major 7 chord. Here we go. Hey guitarists, this is Mike from Guitar Essentials. So the D major 7 chord is made up of the root, which is D, the third, which is F sharp, the fifth, which is A, and then the seventh, which is C sharp. So I'm going to give you 5 different ways that you could learn this. The first way we're going to learn it is an open position. And it's pretty easy. All you do is bar 3 strings at the 2nd fret, the 3rd, 2nd, and 1st string. And then you strum 4 strings from the 4th string to the 1st. The second way I'm going to teach you to do this is you keep that bar down. You're going to then put your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string and then your 4th finger on the 5th fret of the 5th string. And with this chord, we strum from strings 5 to 1. Now, just a reminder that any chord that's in closed position, meaning there's no open strings, is movable. So if you know where the root lies, and you can see that in the chord charts, any red note is the root. So the root is in the bass, the lowest note of the chord. If I know this is an F note, now I'm playing an F major 7 chord. I know this is an A, the 12th fret. The third way we're going to learn this chord is in 4th position. We're going to put our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. We're going to put our 1st finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string, our 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and then our 4th finger on the 7th fret of the 2nd string. And we only strum strings 5 to 2. This one's kind of cool because each finger has its own assigned fret. The 4th way I'm going to show you is in 5th position. We're at the 5th fret with our 1st finger on the 5th string. Then our 3rd finger goes on the 7th fret, 4th string. 2nd finger, 6th fret, 3rd string. 4th finger, 7th fret, 2nd string. And we strum strings 5 to 2. Now you could also bar it, so I'm going to just flatten my 1st finger, or you can kind of keep it in a C shape, and I'm going to strum strings 5 to 1. So you get that higher note in there. And the 5th and final way I'm going to show you is in 10th position. We're going to put our 1st finger on 10th fret, 6th string, 2nd finger on 10th fret, 2nd string, and our 3rd and 4th finger are going to go on the 11th fret on the 4th and 3rd string. Our 1st finger is at a 45-degree angle, so we mute the 5th string. And we strum from string 6 to 2. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you haven't already, please subscribe, hit that like button and the notification bell. Also, if you want free charts of chords, scales, and exercises, check out the link down below in the description. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.